It's him and I, Aquemini.
What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washer. I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to do some concrete cleaning. You let the concrete dwell for like 5 to 6 minutes after you apply the SH, or you can call it bleach, whatever. This is what you need to do when you want to clean your concrete. This area right here is 11 by 9, and when I get through with it, we're going to see the end results. Let's get started. If you look at it, everything on the ground has turned brown. It was a dark black. Usually, when you put enough chemicals on it, it's gonna lighten up to a brown color. So now, only thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut in around the stairs, do a cut in around the house, and then we're gonna take the surface cleaner and we're gonna finish it up. Let's go. it for this little job. That's it for this video. Check out the video of me pressure washing the deck. Then you can follow it up by looking at the video of what I'm staining the deck. Hope you found that this video was entertaining. If not, please go back and look at it again. You probably enjoy it. This is Marcos from Equipment Pressure Washing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.
It's him and I, Aquemini.